Well, different people have a different idea about this topic. I have my own idea. I would like to say that what can I see in this picture? I have observed a lot of things, such as, for example, of household in millions who owns paint. On the one hand, bird and water fish is the most of the higher side. On the other hand, cat and stray water fish in the lower sized. In conclude, and my opinion, a dog and replet sized is the lowest side, and horse and small animal is the bigger side. In Give me the lot of information and different colors like yellow, black, and white and orange color also. This picture give me a lot of information. Thank you.